Hi all, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you unboxing of a summer bag, a GLOSSYBOX limited edition bag. You can see, you can find some more information about it. I'm just gonna give you a quick info of the products that we'll find in the box. Okay, so first, this is a huge bag that I'll be probably using it to go to the beach when I go on my holidays. I can even use it to hold my laptop, I feel. I like that coral orangey color, so I'm definitely going to be using it, GLOSSYBOX of course. Okay, let's have a look at the products inside. I am very excited about the Brushworks Heatless Curler. I've never used it, so I just really want to see. How do you use it? I'll find out, and I'll probably review it shortly. Let me just put it back and put it aside. Okay, so lip oil. Let me know what you think about lip oils. I've never actually used one of those. This is Clarine's 5 milliliters. This is the, I think this is a honey lip comfort oil with sweet briar rose oil. Oh, we'll see. We'll have a look. That's what it looks like. Not gonna open it just yet. Okay, let's have a look. This is one of the products I bought this box for. I'm trying not to buy, and I cancelled on all my subscriptions of the boxes that I've had, but this brand is very good when it comes to moisturizers. Velida, I'm probably pronouncing it wrong. So it's pomegranate regenerating body butter, and it's 150 ml. Looks very sturdy, glass jar. I love glass jars. So we'll see how it works. I will leave a review of it. The other product I bought this box for is the Crystal Retinol Ceramide Eye 6, which is smooth and lift eye cream. I think this is the strongest one with retinol at the moment from Medicaid, and Medicaid is an amazing brand when it comes to skincare, so hopefully this cream will also meet my expectations. I'm trying to use retinol as often as I can, because the anti-aging benefits are amazing. Okay, this is the fragrance mist by Hawaiian Tropic, Orange Blossom and Dewy Peony. I'll have a look. It's very fresh. I wouldn't say it's Orange Blossom, I would say it's more sort of peony and watermelon, if you will. Yeah, it's a huge one actually. It's 250 ml, so it should last you. Like, it's much better for the beach than the traditional, because it even lighter scents. I find it quite heavy, especially when you go somewhere hot in the summer. This I love because this is just Matrix shampoo and conditioner, 75 and 50 ml, so I'm gonna take that on my travels. This is useful. I haven't actually tried that one yet. So that's Elf Skin, and that's 30 SPF 30 sunscreen. We'll see how it goes. Natasha Denona. I love those palettes. They're very good quality and they hold up very nicely. I've never had that one yet. This is a bronze palette. Looks really, really nice. The colors are kind of amazing, to be fair. It's Russet Flesh, Gobi, Bronze Foil and Tough. We'll see. I'll probably do a review of that one as well. Okay, one more product, and this is Color Freeze Treatment for colored hair, performance, blah blah blah, something in French. Pum 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 pum. I think that's a mask. It looks like a mask. It's 30 ml, so good for travels as well. Okay, and I believe we have some freebies. Let's have a look. Selfish Peach and Orange. This is I've never seen that one before. Oh, it's a sparkling peach and orange fruit drink. Nice. That will go to the fridge. This is flavored liquid IV. Food supplement with sugar and sweetener, lemon lime, hydrating properties. Okay, we'll see how it works. Tic Tacs. Flamingo. Love flamingos. That's a cute one. And obviously some perfumes. Big Flower Bomb. Let me know how you like the Flower Bomb. To me, it's too sweet. I'm not quite sure. I haven't tried the Flower Bomb Tiger Lily, but this will make a nice bookmark. Okay, and this is Can to Win. New at Tesco. I guess it's some wine kind of thing.